In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Myprotein discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Myprotein discount code. Right here, scroll down a little bit until you will be able to find this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 5% discount, all you need to do is simply tap on this offer. And for this offer, as you can see, there is no coupon code required. All you need to do right here is simply select this option where it says continue to this offer, and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com. And right here you also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one right here with 40% discount, all you need to do is simply select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.